You know, I'm getting a little hungry. I suppose it's time to start worrying about what I'm going to eat for lunch today. I don't know what I'm going to have. I had soup yesterday, and I'm kind of thinking maybe something a little different today. I don't know. I guess I'll have to figure it out, see what I got hanging around, what I can come up with. Okay, so I see that I've got hamburger that's thawed out in the fridge. Just a little bit here. So I'll just dump that in the pan. I'll get this cooking. And, well, it looks a little bigger in the pan than I thought it looked in the package, but yeah, well, it'll be a good hearty meal. So I will get this going. I'm going to kind of munch it up here. Hey, isn't this fun? Ah, come on. Then I'm going to snoop around and see what else I can find to throw in here. Sure, I can come up with something. Person gets a little bored with eating the same thing every day after day. So. Oh, one winter I went into the winter, I had a whole freezer full of hamburger. Yeah. By the time the winter was coming to end, I was kind of getting tired of hamburger. But I did discover back then that there's about 1 million ways you can cook it, so I kind of learned how to stay on top of that kind of thing back then. Okay. Well, let's see if we can't give it a little turn here. Cooking kind of steadily along here. Come on, cooperate. Sometimes them little pieces get just a little stubborn. Just like, no, I don't want to get flipped. No, leave me alone. Okay, well, it's looking very brown by now, but it'll all be good here. So I think my next step, I'm going to take some paper towel and I will just put my hamburger into the paper towels. Kind of get rid of the grease. Is the idea. Okay. Now, we got that sitting there. I wonder what the heck I ought to put in next. Well, I'm thinking, how about some kidney beans? Good source of fiber. Okay, so here we go. So what else should we throw in there? I don't know. But I'm thinking some minced onion, since I couldn't find any fresh. Apparently we've used it all. Don't know if that's too much or not. That sounds good. And what else? Let's see. Well, I do have a little bit of this spiral ham left. I might as well use that up and kind of give it a little ham and bean flavor. Didn't have any fresh peppers either. I'm getting kind of low on some of that stuff. So, I don't know. Yeah, probably a little of this is Dash, just for grins. There. And I imagine a little bit of pepper would be good. And maybe a little scant touch of garlic powder. There we go. And let's add my hamburger back in. Mix it around there. No, will it be good? Maybe, maybe not. Guess we're gonna see, aren't we? I think I'll let it cook for a little while though. Well, let's see how it's cooking along here. Yeah, it's starting to look close to done. What do you think? You know, when I was living at home yet, yeah, Mom would be gone teaching school, and I used to cook for Dad and my brother and I. And one of our favorite dishes back then, I would cook up a pound of hamburger and put pork and beans in it, and I'd cook that down to where it was just about like a paste. And sometimes we would eat that just that way, and sometimes we would make sandwiches out of it. That seemed to be pretty popular with Dad and my brother. Of course, that wasn't all that I cooked, but it seemed like I cooked that quite a bit back then. The good old days. Dad's been gone for over 30 years now. Okay. I think that turned out pretty good. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh yeah. I can taste the ham and hamburger and the beans. By gosh, I think that makes pretty good lunch. Fairly simple to cook. Not too pricey on the ingredients, really. And as long as I eat about half of what I cooked up there, I should be well within my carbohydrate limits for this meal, and be full also. Probably have a little leeway there left for dessert. I know Karen made some pretty delicious kind of banana muffin cookies last night. I'm not sure what you call them, but they're chocolate chip bananas and stuff. And I had one last night, and it tasted a lot like a muffin to me. But oh yeah. Anyhow, back to my meal here. I suppose I better get eating because I'm hungry. Then I thank you for watching, and you can come up with some of your own concoctions in the kitchen. Just don't be afraid to try it. Just start throwing things in. That's you know, you never know what you'll end up with. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, they're peanut butter banana chocolate chip cookies, and they're really good. So makes for a good dessert. All right. Thank you. Bye.